Welcome back. This time I'm gonna put on a new clutch and a clutch release thrust bearing. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah, first this one, the guide on here. Then I do center it. Little grease. That. Yep. And then torque it up at 18 lb-feet. Like that. Remember to take this off. Right, this is the clutch release thrust bearing. So let's try to change this. Right, this is the old one. All you need is a flat screwdriver and just whip out this and this little spring. Same on both sides. And just that, the old one. Now put a new one in. Same thing. That, like that. Sweet. And it's all ready for the engine. Easy.